today I'll show you how to use your Discover cashback on Amazon, making your online shopping experience even more rewarding. If you're someone who loves finding extra ways to save money, then using your Discover cashback on Amazon is a fantastic option. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you make the most of your rewards. First things first, before you even think about using your cashback, you need to make sure that your Discover card is linked to your Amazon account. This is a crucial step because without linking your card, you won't be able to apply your cashback savings. To do this, simply log into your Amazon account, head over to your payment options, and make sure your Discover card is listed. If it's not, just add it by following the prompts and you'll be all set. Once your card is linked, the magic happens when you're at the checkout stage of your Amazon shopping. When you're ready to complete your purchase, select your Discover card as the payment method. This is essential because it's the only way to access and apply your available cashback bonus. Now, if you have a cashback bonus ready to use, you've got a couple of options. One way is to apply it directly at checkout. This is probably the quickest way to see immediate savings. When you select your Discover card, Amazon will show you your available cashback balance, and you can choose to apply it to reduce your total purchase cost. It's an easy and efficient way to lower your spending without any extra hassle. Alternatively, if you prefer a different approach, you can redeem your cashback bonus through your Discover account, either via the website or the mobile app. By doing this, you're opting to use the cashback as a statement credit. What this means is that the cashback will be used to offset the charge from Amazon on your Discover account. It's a great option if you want to manage your finances and see the impact on your credit statement. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effectively use your Discover cashback to lower your Amazon spending. It's a win-win situation, shopping for what you need while making the most of your rewards. Enjoy your savings and happy shopping.